Hello, my name is Matt. Today I tell you about a story called Three Wishes. Once upon a time, there was a poor fisherman. The fisherman's wife easily angry because he didn't catch many fish. One day, the man was fishing when suddenly a little fish jumped into his net. My wife will be happy now, he said. We will eat this fish for dinner. But then the fish spoke. Please throw me back in the sea, he said. And I will give you 3 wishes. The fisherman was very surprised. Wait, he thought, I can make my wife very happy with 3 wishes. Later, he told his wife about the fish. She wasn't happy. Fish don't speak, you silly man, she said. And now we can't even any fish for dinner. The fisherman was hungry and he looked at his pitcher of bread and water. I wish we had sausages instead of bread and water, he said. Suddenly, 3 little sausages appeared on his plate. He was very happy and started to eat. But his wife shouted angrily, "You silly man, why didn't you wish for something better like money or gold? I wish those sausages were on the end of your nose." The man looked down at his nose and screamed. All the sausages were on the end of his nose. The wife pulled and pulled, but she couldn't get the sausages off the man's nose. They had to use last wish. I wish, said the fisherman sadly, for the sausages to go away. All the sausages disappeared. Now they had no sausages, no wish, and the fisherman never saw the fish again.